come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away? Show us.
Hi guys, and welcome back to Sonia's Prep. Guess what? Shai, what are we doing?
Packing.
Loads of fun, complete disaster everywhere. So, as you can probably tell by the title of this video, Sonia's Prep is moving. I'm not a professional mover or have anything, I guess, so professional to say. I'm just going by the other 2 times that I moved. So I'm going to be just sharing a few tips that I have. I created a box with all of my essentials. So my cleaning box of gloves and paper towels and Windex and things like that. Also, I included in here scissors because we want to open up boxes. I also labeled boxes that I have my bedding in with a number 1 so that I know that this is the first box that I want to open up. So obviously I have more than one of them. This one is also bedding, and I just know that this is what I have to unpack first, because to me the number 1 thing when you're moving is to create a comfortable space at the end of that day. Another helpful tip is to put everything that you have hanging, tied different sections with rubber bands to hold them together. Take a garbage bag and just place them inside. This way, when you're transporting everything to the new place, you can just literally pick everything up. You don't have to waste time packing it, unpacking it. All you have to do when you get to your new destination is remove these rubber bands and open these garbage bags up, and everything is set out good as new. We're finally at the new house. This is Sonia's Prep's kitchen. Ah! Hi, Mr. Prep. Are you so excited? We're exhausted. What time is it now? It's 11:15. Last night we went to sleep at 3:30 in the morning, packing everything up. So we're beat. We're really beat. But I just wanted to give you a quick tour of the mayhem that is this kitchen right now. I can't wait to show you guys everything. So we're just unpacking everything a little bit, and I'll give you a little bit of a tour of the kitchen, and I'll let you see what it all looks like. I'm going to insert a clip right here of what this kitchen looked like before for you guys to see how far it's come. So here is the before of what this kitchen looked like, and there was nothing wrong with it, of course. It looked beautiful, but I did definitely want to put a few of my own touches into it, and we did close up this space that you see right here a little bit, and we changed all of the cabinetry and the appliances because they were quite old. We closed up that window that you see right there that was going into the den, and this is what the kitchen looks like now. There's definitely tons of organization that I'm going to have to be doing with all of these cabinets, and I would love to show you how I'm going to be doing it. If you guys are interested, leave a big thumbs up if you want me to create a video like that. Leave me your comments down below if you are interested in something like that, and I will definitely do it. Mr. Prep is beat. We're not even halfway done. It's gonna take us a while to get through all this, but I've labeled everything really well, and hopefully we'll get there sooner than later. This closet right here is going to be the pantry. This used to be a washer dryer. The previous owner had it this way, right next to the kitchen. So this is the kitchen, and right over here was the washer and dryer, and to me it just made more sense to make this a pantry. So we combined 2 closets. We still have to fix this outlet over here. Yeah, so I'm super excited. So today is day 2 from our move. I just got back from work a little while ago, and I just decided to not go insanely crazy, just to unpack and put things away. What I would have normally done is line each shelf and organize it nicely, but I don't want to be bothered with that right now. I just want to get the boxes out of my house and get everything sorted out, and then later on after Passover, because I didn't tell you guys, I moved in a week and a half before Passover. So yeah, that's insane. It's crazy. So I really want to be settled in before Passover starts. So let me know actually in the comments down below if you want me to do a room by room organization, how I get everything set up after Passover, if you guys would be interested in something like that, and I will definitely film it. Let me know in the comments down below. So come and take a look at how I'm going to be getting settled in for now. So I've gotten a few organizational items while I moved, and usually anything that I'm using in my videos, I'll have a link for you down below in the description box. So if there's anything appealing that you see here, you'll most likely find the link for it in the description box. Another helpful tip that I wanted to share with you is that when I was moving, I did create a box full of organizational items so that I know what I have, so that I know once I'm unpacking that this is where I'm going to be going to get my boxes or my trays or my acrylic bins that I got, so that I could organize everything very quickly. So to have that at hand, labeled really clearly, you don't have to, run around looking for items to store your things into. So I do definitely recommend having a set box set with all of your organizational items. So this is definitely by no means perfect. I'm just concentrating again on getting out of boxes and just placing things into their home. Later on, once we're settled in, I'll take everything out and do it organized just as I would like. This part right here made me feel so good, just getting the clutter off of my countertops so I can think clearer. I just contained it all in one small space, wiped everything down, and oh, that felt so good. Now that the kitchen is for the most part put together, I'm heading out into the dining room and cleaning that space up as well. So it's slowly coming together. We still have boxes here, and I want to just clean off this top over here and organize this a little bit. And of course, I finished everything by placing different bouquets all throughout the different spaces of the house. I had these two here in my dining room, and I had this gorgeous blue one that I placed in my kitchen. If you enjoyed these videos and you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you all next time.